Yes, good evening, everyone. Sanviya Technologies. This is software training and development company. Okay. My name is Santosh. I am the founder and trainer of the Sanviya Technologies. Yeah. About us, Sanviya Technologies is the best software training and development company which provides placement assistance. Okay, we provide training by highly experienced professionals with real-time projects. Okay, we will be conducting weekly tests, mock interviews, and all the things. And we provide corporate training in IT companies like HCL, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and also like Coforge. In the uh, last month, we provided corporate training for Coforge company, IT company. Okay, I have total 18 plus years of experience. Actually, it is 18 plus years of experience in IT industry. Okay, currently I am working in a company called Trians. Okay, just 2 months back only I left the company. Okay, to concentrate on my business. Okay, this Sunvian Technologies I started in 2022 officially. Okay, but I started in 2020 only. Okay, officially I started in 2022. Okay, I have total 15 plus years of experience in teaching various technologies like Java, Python, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, AWS, DevOps, and other things. Okay, and I trained 1,000 plus students, not only 1,000 plus students, like we trained some 2,000 plus students. Okay, and all the students, 99% of the students are placed. Okay, we give placement assistance. We give placement assistance. Whatever we teach, we give placement assistance. Okay, placement assistance in the sense like see, your course is full stack data science and AI ML with generative AI and agentic AI. Okay, in this course, after completion of this course, we will give you the certificate of Sanvihan Technologies. Okay, you learned in Sanvihan Technologies, so we give you the certificate. After giving the certificate, you can uh, apply in IT companies that you have trained in, you have learned in so and so company called Sanviyan Technologies. Okay, and coming to this placement assistance, after completion of this course, okay, we will be helping you to prepare the resume. Okay, after preparation of the resume, we will be telling you how you should apply for the jobs, and I will be means we will be taking care of like sending your resume to the IT companies who has openings and all the things. Okay, and we will be helping you to get placed in IT companies. Okay, but you have to prepare for the interview and you have to select in the interview. We will take you to we will take you to the interview, but that interview selection process you have to through that interview. If you are not through that interview, that is not my job. Okay, your job is learning after learning, and you have to through the interview means you have to pass the interview. Okay, I will take you to the company, but in that company, the performance is your side. Okay, now coming to this full stack data science and AI ML. Yeah, full stack data science and AI ML with generative AI and agentic AI. Here, what you will be learning in this course, what mainly the focus on the subject you will be learning in this course. See, you will be learning full stack data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI and LLM, generative AI and LLM, and agentic AI and agentic AI. You will be learning these all five things. Okay. You may ask, what is the prerequisite for this course? prerequisite for this course. Prerequisite means what we want to learn if you want to learn this course. Our course is full stack data science and full stack and artificial intelligence, comma, machine learning with the generative AI and agentic AI. Okay. Prerequisite. What is prerequisite? Prerequisite means in this course, to learn this course, there is no any prerequisite. No any prerequisite. Means you don't need to do anything. You don't need to know anything. Zero knowledge. You don't need to have any knowledge to learn this course. Okay. If you understand, if you understand English, that is enough. If you understand English, that is enough. If you don't understand, also no problem. If you don't understand, also no problem. I will make you understand. I will make you understand. Okay. Here, here, first normally, you need to have knowledge on English. You don't need to do anything. Simply whatever I tell you, you prepare that. That is enough. That is enough. You prepare on the daily basis. Okay. What will you learn in this course? As I told you, you will be learning full stack data science. Before full stack data science, you will be learning Python. Python. Okay, Python is a programming language. You will be using a Python. Python is a programming language you will be using in this course. In this course. Okay, first we will be learning Python. After learning Python, we will be learning some modules called NumPy. Next, Pandas. Next, you will be learning data science. Next, before data science, you will be learning mathematics. Mathematics means not 10th class mathematics, not 10th grade mathematics or 9th grade mathematics. Okay. Whatever mathematics is useful for data science, you will be learning that. And you will be learning statistics. Statistics. Whatever statistics you will be using for this data science, you will be learning that. Okay. If you are not a maths student or if you are not a statistics student, also no problem. No problem. Okay. You don't need to have knowledge on mathematics or statistics. Next, you will be learning data science. After that, you will be learning machine learning. Machine learning. Okay. After that, you will be learning artificial intelligence. After that, you will be learning generative artificial intelligence. After that, you will be learning agentic AI, agentic artificial intelligence. Okay. Here I will tell you one example. I will tell you one example. Okay. Suppose if you open ChatGPT. For example, you open ChatGPT. Okay. You open ChatGPT. Here you will be telling to, here you will be telling to write an email to manager, write an email to manager for leave approval. Leave approval. Click on enter. Okay, see here, you will be getting all the things. Subject, dear manager name, and you will be getting all the text. all the text. Okay, how you are getting all this text? How you are getting all this text means here this is artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, you will be having even having one framework called OpenAI. Okay, there you will be writing the code in Python. You will be writing the code in Python to get the text. Okay, here we have so many libraries or so many things to get these all things. Okay, this is the beauty of artificial intelligence. This is the beauty of artificial intelligence. And I will tell you one thing. And I will tell you one thing. See, you will be the developers of artificial intelligence. You will be the developers of artificial intelligence. Okay, you won't be the users of artificial intelligence. Okay, you will be developing robots. You will be developing the code to generate the content. You will be developing the code to generate all the things. For example, I'll tell you one example. See here, you have this Mintra.com. You have this Mintra.com. Okay. Where is that chart? 1 minute. I will show. See here. See, this is irctc.com. What is this easy booking on Ask Disha? See, here you are getting I am Ask Disha. Click to book tickets easily with AI. I click here. What is this? This is nothing but chatbot application. We call this as chatbot application. Okay, this chatbot application we can develop by using AI. This chatbot application we can develop by using AI. Okay, this chatbot application will be coming in Agentic AI. In Agentic AI. Okay, we will be developing this type of application in Agentic AI. Okay, this is one thing. Next, nowadays, AI only will be taking the interview. AI only will be taking the interview. Means AI only will be calling to your mobile, and it will be saying it will be scheduling the interview. It will be scheduling the interview instead of human intervention. Okay, but the main drawback of that is suppose if your voice is not clear, then it won't understand anything. That is the main drawback of that. Okay, and where you use this artificial intelligence means in maps, Google Maps. Okay, suppose if you want to go to any location, then automatically that maps will be showing you red color, yellow color, okay, and blue color depending upon the traffic. Then you will be changing your route. Okay, mainly in maps, and you will be using this AI in all the places. In all the places, for example, if you take for example, you take in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, you will be having Meta AI. Meta AI. And also, if you take, for example, depending upon for example, you take air conditioning. Air conditioning. In air conditioning, depending upon the weather, okay, it will be exhibiting the coolness or hot or anything like that. Suppose if outside the weather is 50 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade, then AC will be like it will be changing to 16 degrees centigrade depending upon the weather condition outside. Depending upon the weather condition outside. Okay. And another way, in another place, suppose for example you are using OTT, OTT. Okay. For example, Netflix or anywhere. Okay. Depending upon the movie, Means suppose if it is a good movie, then they will be what to say, they will be changing the charges. Okay, they will be increasing the amount or anything like that. Okay, in these places we use AI. Okay, nowadays like we use Siri or anything like that. Nowadays we'll be using all these things, right? There also we use AI only. Next, who can learn this course? Who can learn this course? First is school students also can learn this course. Why? Because in 10th grade, they introduced the computer subject artificial intelligence. Okay, in 8th grade, nowadays, 8th grade, they are using Python. Python. Okay. I have taken the workshop in a big school in Hyderabad for 10th grade students. Okay, beginners can learn this course. Students, freshers, career switchers, anyone. Okay, IT professionals also can learn this course. Either, for example, developers, testers, support engineers. Okay, non-technical professionals also can learn this course. Any graduate, any postgraduate, okay, any career gap professional also can learn this course. Okay, any working professional for different domain also can learn this course. Teacher, engineer, and who are willing to change their stream. For example, you studied a civil engineering course. Civil engineering course. Your BTech is of civil engineering course. You completed your BTech. After completion of BTech, you did not get the job. You waited for 3 years. After 3 years, you want to learn some course and get the job. Okay, now the market is artificial intelligence, so you will be learning some course, and you'll be putting your experience as 3 years in AI. Okay, one of my friend who is working as a manager, he has total 15 plus years of experience. He joined my course and he got 50 lakhs of package in Goldman Sachs company. In Goldman Sachs company. Okay. And here what I will be teaching you in this course. See, frameworks and tools to master. In data science, we will be having Python programming, R programming, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, these all things. After data science, I will be teaching you machine learning. After machine learning, I will be teaching you deep learning. After that, generative AI, LLMs, agentic AI, prompt engineering, cloud and DevOps. Cloud and DevOps. Okay. Here, all may get it out. Duration of this course is 4 months. 4 months. Daily, 1 hour is the class. Class. Timings of the classes are 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay. And in the Sanvigan technologies, we will be creating, either Google Classroom or Facebook group for your batch. Facebook group for your batch and giving notes in that. Notes in that. Okay, whatever the class notes, everyday notes will be uploaded into either Google Classroom or Facebook group. Okay, notes will be uploaded there. Notes will be uploaded there. Okay, and and here coming to recordings. Recordings are not given to anyone. You have to attend daily classes. You have to attend daily classes and you should be regular to classes. Okay. Suppose if you miss any class, for example, if you miss any class, then then I will be repeating that. Okay, but not but that is not full, and it is totally online. Totally online. No offline classes. No offline classes. No offline classes will be provided. Okay. Offline classes means suppose here normally if you need offline classes, you should be near to me. Okay. But if you are not near, there are no offline classes. Okay. Oh, totally online. Totally online. Okay. And you can check my channel. Yeah, till that time, I want your email IDs and mobile number, name, mobile number, and email ID. Can you please provide in chat box? In chat box, you can give your name, mobile number, and email ID. I will be creating a WhatsApp group. I will be creating a WhatsApp group. Okay, I will be creating WhatsApp channel so that you will be knowing all the things. Okay, batch time, or classes, all the things. Where the notes is uploaded, everything I will be giving there. Okay, in the chat box, I need your name, email ID, and mobile number. Yeah, provide me your name, email ID, and mobile number. See, this is my channel. Okay, this is my channel. I have kept all these videos and I have LinkedIn profile. See, this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile. I have like about me and all the things. Okay, I will post this LinkedIn profile also. Follow to this LinkedIn profile. Yes. I'm sharing you my LinkedIn profile in the chat. Or you can give Sanvian Technologies. Then you'll be getting that LinkedIn profile. Okay. Did all give your name and email IDs everything? I got only some. This is my LinkedIn profile and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, I will be uploading the videos in this YouTube channel. Okay, yeah. Now we will be starting actual subject. Okay, first we will be having the Python. Python. Okay, what is Python and what is this AI? Okay, what is this AI and all the things? What this AI will do? What this AI will do? Yeah, artificial intelligence. Provide me your name, mobile number, and email ID so that I will be creating a WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel group, and I will be giving you. Yeah, artificial intelligence. What is the artificial intelligence? What is the definition of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. I'll tell you an example. I'll tell you an example. Normally, everywhere you may see some robo restaurant or platform 65 restaurants. Okay, on the table, if you on the table, you'll be having the menu. You'll be having the menu. Okay, you select that menu. You select that menu. After selecting that your dish, okay, you'll be going to go to cart or a design like that. You'll be clicking on button. When you click on that button, automatically what happens means automatically that will be going to kitchen and robo will be coming and serving your dish. Okay, there what happens means the architecture how it will happen means see you are the client. Here you are the client. This is the client. Okay, you will be sending the request. You will be sending the request. Where you will be sending the request? Where you will be sending the request? You will be sending the request to the server. The server. This is request. When you send the request to server, the server will take your request, and it will be sending to the kitchen. It will be sending to the kitchen. Okay. This request will be sent to kitchen. When this request is sent to kitchen, then at that time, suppose you ordered veg biryani and veg manchuria. Okay, this request automatically goes to server. This server will be sending the request to kitchen. In this kitchen, they will be preparing the food. After preparing the food, they will be sending the response to the server. Okay, and the server to some robot. Robots. Okay, this robot will be automatically going to the client and will be serving the food automatically. Okay, how that happens? How that happens? That happens by using artificial intelligence. Means it will be simulating the intelligence of human in machines. In machines, they will be simulating the human intelligence and they will tell that you need to act like humans. You need to act like humans. Okay. Where you'll be, means these all things where it happens. Where it happens means here you'll be having Goals of AI. Goals of AI means, what are the goals of AI? These are the goals. Decision making, visual perception, speech recognition, and language translation. And language translation. Okay, decision making. Normally, for example, I'll tell you one example. One person, there are two friends. There are two friends. Okay. One person wants to go to a movie. A person wants to go to a movie. Okay. He will ask another friend, hey, will you come to the movie, like that? Okay. That another friend, he may tell that yes or no. Yes or no. Okay. Here, what happens means the decision is made by two members. But here what happens means, in the artificial intelligence, the decision making will be done by itself. How the decision making will be happening? The decision making will be happening by using some algorithms. Who will be writing that algorithms? Humans will be writing that algorithms. I'll tell you another example. This is summer holidays. Now we have summer holidays. Suppose Dasara will come. Dasara will come. Or in Dasara, for Dasara festival, normally you want to buy some clothes. You want to buy some clothes. Okay, clothes. For that, you will see where are the Dasara offers. What Dasara offers are going on. You want to buy some items like fridge, refrigerator, or AC, or anything. Okay, in summer season you want to buy AC, for example. Okay, where will you buy AC? You will see all the showrooms. Which showroom will give offers? You'll go there and buy your AC. Buy your AC. Then that showroom people, they will take your data. They will take your data. Okay, they will give some, your first time, you are buying AC first time, so they will give 10% discount or 20% discount or 30% discount. For example, take 30% discount. Okay, after giving 30% of discount, next time, your showroom people only will send you the message on in your mobile. They will tell that 50% off is going on if you buy anything. 50% off is going on if you buy anything. How they will tell that? By using data. By using data. Okay, they will take the data and they will tell you that. Means who makes the decisions? Showroom people will make the decision that if you get 50% of discount, compulsory you will go to that showroom and buy AC. Okay, that is called decision making. That is called decision making. Types of decision making, I will tell you this all afterwards. Okay, these are the key concepts of decision making. These are called decision making normally. Next, what is visual perception? What is visual perception? Visual perception is nothing but like whatever it is, a brain's ability to interpret and make sense. And make sense means vision. Means vision. Okay. Here in visual perception, automatically, suppose for example, you are having some surgery of uh, you'll go for eye test. You'll go for eye test. Okay. For eye test, they are using AI. They are using robots. Okay. These robots will gather your information. Will gather your information and check in the eyes. That is called visual perception. Speech recognition. Very, very, very important of speech recognition. See, we have a project called blind people reading the PDF. Blind people reading the PDF. Okay, in some companies like Wells Fargo, we have the PDFs. Okay, that PDFs will be read, means read by some AI, and it will be recognizing the speech. Means blind people will be recognizing that PDF. It is of this PDF like that. Okay, here we use AI. Here we use artificial intelligence. Means blind people will be recognizing that speech and tell that this PDF belongs to this person. This PDF belongs to this person like that. That is called speech recognition. This speech recognition projects are used in all the IT companies for blind people. Okay. Next, language translation. Language translation. For example, if you want to translate English language to Kannada, English language to Tamil, English language to Telugu. Okay, this AI is used for language translation also. For language translation also. Okay, you're traveling in car. You're traveling in car. Okay, in car, you'll tell that, hey Google, call this so and so person. Then your call will be going automatically. How? How? By using this by using this AI. By using this AI. Okay. By using this AI. Okay, that is called language translation. Language translation. Okay. First, this is today is the actual normal demo. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, did you send all? Have you sent all the email IDs? 1 minute.